All right, hello everybody. I'm Officer Trujillo. I'll be giving a executive summary briefing today to all FBI senior leadership as well as U.S. National Intelligence Agency directors. We have got word about an influx of refugees coming here on U.S. soil. Also, this is a report about recruiting efforts from ISIS here on U.S. soil. Got to be some parallel, some link between the two. I'm going to start with the situation, mission, and then an end state for briefing. Also, this executive summary is going to be followed by a mitigation plan as well as executive summary. So any input is highly encouraged. Okay, moving right along. All right, here's the situation. The international terrorist group, Islamic State of Iraq, or Al-Shabaab, ISIS, mainly consolidated its power in the Middle East, but has developed a deep following here in the United States. ISIS has been using recruitment efforts, using social media, through the internet, and it's been highly successful. They have been able to get at least 100 U.S. citizens to follow them in previous intel reports. And the influence of ISIS has used the U.S. to recruit U.S. citizens in the past to follow their illicit cause of causing harm on or potential attack here in the U.S. I got reports that the flow of refugees from the Middle East has increased in size to an estimated 4,800. We have reports from Intel Abroad that the Syrian refugee crisis is most likely a reason why we are starting to get more refugees here on U.S. soil and a more ISIS following, especially with the sympathizers that follow their cause. All right, this is a list of some of the potential states. We know this because intel reports. ISIS released a list of potential targets that was able to be intercepted by our intel units. It is stating all these major U.S. cities. There's a lot of them on here. I want you to pay attention to the cities that have military bases, such as Texas, Fort Hood, Louisiana, Barksdale Air Force Base, South Carolina, Charleston Air Force Base, etc. A lot of these other states mentioned here, I can get you a more in-depth list after this briefing, so you can do your analytical works. Yes, pay attention to especially Washington D.C. Washington D.C. was noted in the report as well, and an attack is most likely imminent. All right, your mission is to thwart their ability to recruit. Identification of domain names, special units deployed to help identify where these tweets are coming from, as well as any sites, propaganda efforts, etc. Washington D.C. and military bases, please pay attention to that. Also, your cyber awareness, using the internet to recruit. Like I stated, ISIS is using the internet to try to get followers. Refugees monitor along the U.S. and Southwest border. All right, end state. Conduct investigations on and around states and the cities briefed. Like I said, get with me afterwards. I'll get you a list of the states and cities. All right, communication. Maintain European contacts pertaining to Syrian refugee crisis. Execution, develop mitigation plans and threat assessment, recruitments. mitigation plans, and threat assessments on recruitment and refugees. And Officer Trujillo, please get me afterwards. It's just an overall briefing, and I can answer any questions. All right, thank you, and have a wonderful day.